Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Young Minds Physics Preparation Channel. The question which is asking in 2023 in motion in a plane lesson is a football player is moving southward and suddenly turns eastward with the same speed to avoid an opponent. Okay, the force that acts on the player while turning is, so first what is given, based on that one what is asking we should do. Okay, right, what is that? A football player moving southward. To easily understand about this, we can draw the directions. Okay, this is north, south, east and west. Okay, to see, a football player is moving southward, that means he is moving southward. So first he is moving southward. Okay, suddenly it turns eastward. Then after what happened? Suddenly turned eastward. This is the eastward. Okay, with the same speed. That means speed in southward is equal to speed in eastward. Okay, this is given. Okay, so what actually southward means what? This is positive. Okay, x-axis. So what is the unit vector along the x-axis? Positive I cap. Okay, along the north, what is that? Plus j cap. This is what? Minus I cap. This is what? Minus j cap. Here the person is moving first southward. That means initial velocity. Initial velocity. What is that? V minus j cap. Why? Because V minus j cap. Why? Because the person is moved towards the southward. So which is equal to what? Minus V j cap. Okay. Next, what happened? Suddenly turns towards the east. That means this is the final velocity direction. It means final velocity equal to what? V into plus I cap, which is equal to what? V I cap. V I cap. So what is asking? The force that acts. Therefore, in what direction force, okay, act on this person? Okay, force direction. You know, from force is equal to what? From definition of force equal to what? Rate of change of momentum. Rate of change of, what is that? Momentum. That means what? Final momentum minus initial momentum, Pf minus Pi. It is a vector quantity which is equal to what? V I cap minus V j cap, isn't it? So V into V I cap plus V j cap, isn't it? So what the direction of, therefore direction of momentum equal to what? I plus j cap. That means I is positive, j is also positive. That means it is along east and north. So a vector is resolved into two components. Either one is along positive x-axis, one is along positive y-axis, isn't it? This is what? I cap. This is what? J cap, because both are positive. Finally get. That's why, isn't it? That means the resultant in what direction? This is the resultant direction. So that resultant represent what? Northeast. Therefore, force acts on what direction? Northeast. Northeast direction, isn't it? So this is the solution for this question. What is that? The resultant force acts on the person in what direction? Northeast direction. Okay, thank you very much.